In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to request and approve a new team in Microsoft Teams using Teams Manager. To create a request, open the Teams Manager app and go to the Requests tab. Click Add a Request to start the process. First, choose the type of group you want to request. Depending on your settings, you can select from 5 options: a new team, a new Viva Engage community, a new Sharepoint site, a new planner, or a new channel for an existing team. In this example, we'll create a new team request. Next, select the appropriate template for your request. The template's name and description will help guide your choice. You'll also see a quick overview of what the template includes. Now, enter the basic details for the team. Give it a name, a description, and a comment for the approver. You also need to set the team's visibility. You can make the team private, so only people with permissions can access it, or public, so anyone in your organization can join. In this example, a policy is applied that doesn't allow teams to be public. If metadata fields are included in your template, you'll need to enter them in the next step. Then, decide whether to allow guest access. You can choose to enable or disable it. In this case, guest access is disabled due to an applied policy. Next, assign owners and members to the team. Some owners and members might already be predefined by the template, but you can adjust them as needed. Before submitting, you'll see an overview of the new team's setup. Keep in mind that a naming convention might influence the team name and other settings. Check all the details and click Send Request to submit your request. Once the request is submitted, the approver will receive a notification from Teams Manager. They will get an overview of all the team information and can make changes if necessary. If they decide to decline the request, they must leave a comment for the requester. If they approve the request, they simply click Approve, and the team will be created. Once the request is approved, you will receive a notification, and the newly created team will appear in your list of teams. If you'd like to learn more about Teams Manager's request and approval process or explore other group types, you can download Teams Manager from the Teams App Store or book a personal demo on our website.